Today, we have Cadet Akshat Srivastava with us, who has recently cleared his NDA SSB in first attempt from Allahabad SSB board. And आइए जानते हैं अक्षत से अक्षत का एक्सपीरियंस.
My experience was really great at this academy because I've been a part of this academy since the month of July. After my board exams have finished, I was focused to join the Defence Forces, and this academy has provided me the platform to go for my career, and it has enhanced my traits and my personality a lot, and has developed my knowledge by providing such study material. The faculty and the study material is also really great because the faculty is really interactive and clears all the doubts, and the whatever the problems that you face easily can be clarified, and whatever the tasks that are being in SSB are also being practiced here, like the psychology part as well as the GTO and the interviews all are conducted over here. So I was really proud and honored to be a part of the Centurion Academy.
सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी ज्वाइन करने से पहले आपके ऐसे कौन से वीक एरियाज थे जिनको आपने यहाँ आके इम्प्रूव किया?
मैम, जैसे पहले देखा जाए तो मैं पढ़ाई लिखाई में ज़्यादा था, सो मेरी जनरल नॉलेज उतनी ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग नहीं थी, एंड कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स थे जो मेरे को लगा कि वीक है. जैसे मेरी मैथ स्ट्रांग थी, बट फॉर NDA आई रिक्वायर शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स, एंड दैट वाज द मेन थिंग दैट वाज प्रोवाइडेड बाय सेंचुरियन एकेडमी. That they have very great facilities of faculties of mathematics. They have 7 facilities to teach us short tricks, and since earlier I used to solve the questions in a lengthy pattern, but now since I have learned the short tricks, I could solve the problems very easily. And rest मेरी इंटरैक्टिव स्किल्स की बात की जाए तो इंटरव्यू के ड्यूरिंग कैसे रिएक्ट करना है, कैसे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं, उन सबको सीखने के लिए मेरे को सेंचुरियन ने काफ़ी प्रमोट किया और काफ़ी बार मेरे मॉक इंटरव्यूज़ कंडक्ट किए, जिसकी वजह से मेरी ये स्किल्स इम्प्रूव हुई. Since I was a studious guy, so I was not into other terms, but Centurion has provided me some platforms for sports as well as cultural events. I was also awarded the Mr. Centurion Award on 15th August in a cultural program held by Centurion Academy. And since this academy provides me a lot of platform apart from just studies, it has enhanced my personality in various ways, and now I feel that I'm a very confident person.
मैं जानना चाहूँगी आपसे आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी जो आपने अपनाई थी सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी में आपका NDA का एग्ज़ाम फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर करने के लिए.
मैम, मैं जैसे क्लास 12th में रहा, सो मैं काफ़ी स्टूडियस टाइप ऑफ बच्चा था, सो लाइक आई डिडंट फेस एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टी इन द एग्जामिनेशन. और जो भी मेरे को यहाँ से कोचिंग से स्टडी मटेरियल और टीचर्स ने जो भी गाइड किया मेरे को, सो इट वाज रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर मी to go through the syllabus of the NDA, and at the last moment मैंने जो भी recent के papers रहे उनको solve किया, और यहाँ से जो भी guidelines और short tricks सिखाई गई थी उनको वहाँ पे apply किया और paper के लिए तैयार हुआ. और paper में as much as I can attempt, I have attempted maximum questions, and whatever the guidelines that was provided here, I followed those guidelines and could attend a really good number of questions and score good.
जैसे कि आपने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में अपना NDA क्वालिफाई किया, सो यहाँ पे एकेडमी में हर एक स्टूडेंट को हम सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी पब्लिकेशन का स्टडी मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो व्हाट इज योर एक्सपीरियंस रिगार्डिंग दैट मटेरियल?
मैम, जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पे जुलाई से हूँ, सो मेरा एग्ज़ाम था सितंबर में, सो मेरे को जितना भी स्टडी मटेरियल प्रोवाइड हुआ उसने काफ़ी हेल्प करी मेरे को रिटन एग्जामिनेशन क्वालिफाई करने में, बिकॉज वो एक पिन पॉइंट मटीरियल है, बिकॉज वो पॉइंट टू पॉइंट रहेगा, आपको जो भी वहाँ पे एग्ज़ाम में हेल्प करेगा सो डायरेक्टली वो तुम्हारे एग्ज़ाम में तुम्हें हेल्प करेगा। सो सेंचुरियन ने उन सबको कंसाइज करके एक बेटर मैनर में प्रोवाइड किया हुआ है अपने स्टूडेंट्स को, सो दैट उनको रिटन एग्जामिनेशन में कोई भी डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस ना करें। और जितने भी मैथ्स की बुक्स हैं उसमें सब शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स भी मेंशन हैं, जिसकी हेल्प से आप अपने एग्ज़ाम को और जल्दी और आसानी से क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं। सो सेंचुरियन का स्टडी मटेरियल मेरे लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहा, जो आगे चल के और सेंचुरियंस की हेल्प करेगा, और जो भी इसको यूज़ करेगा आई एम रियली श्योर दैट ही विल डेफिनेटली क्वालिफाई हिज रिटन एग्जाम।
टेस्ट भी कंडक्ट करवाते थे हम, राइट? सो एवरी सैटरडे जो आपका मॉक टेस्ट होता था फॉर एनडीए, हाउ बेनिफिशियल हैज इट प्रूव्ड फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन फॉर एनडीए?
Okay, ma'am. So first of all, just learning is not important, because unless and until you test yourself, you are not confident about your content. So that is what mock test helped us the most. So like I used to prepare at my home, but unless and until those types of question I practiced over here are in the mock test, I could qualify those questions. Then I would be more confident about my material. And that helped me a lot in clearing the NDA examination, because that were the similar questions that were asked in the mock test and as well as in NDA. So I didn't feel any kind of change, because the mock test over here or the NDA examination over there are somewhat the same, because the paper that was given to us, that was quite related. So it helped me a lot in clarifying my exam.
ओके अक्षत, लाइक यू नो, किसी भी एग्ज़ाम की हम प्रिपरेशन करते हैं तो मोटिवेशन इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर जो हमें आगे की तरफ पुश करता है, राइट? सो आपने जितने भी अकेडमी में मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर्स अटेंड किए, चाहे मैं कैप्टन विपिन की बात करूं, मेजर मनोज भंडारी जी की बात करूं, तो कहाँ से आपको कितना मोटिवेटेड आप फील होते थे जब उनके क्लासेस या उनके मोटिवेशनल गेस्ट लेक्चर्स आप जो है अटेंड करते थे?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिटर्मिनेशन बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, बट उसके साथ साथ अगर मोटिवेशन आ जाए तो वो एक सोने पे सुहागा बोल सकते हैं। सो लाइक यहाँ पे एकेडमी में हम लोग को काफ़ी एक्सपोजर मिला, बाहर से काफ़ी हमारे एक्स डिफेंस ऑफिसर्स आए थे, और जो भी पुराने यहाँ से पास आउट्स और जो भी अभी सर्विंग हैं वो आके यहाँ पे हम लोग को मोटिवेट किया कि कैसे हम अपने करियर को और अच्छे से परस्यू कर सकते हैं, और क्या हमारे स्टेप्स रहने चाहिए जिनको हमको डे टू डे में फॉलो करना चाहिए अपनी लाइफ को और बेटर करने के लिए। और those lectures were not only related to our SSB itself, they were developing our complete lifestyle, because that helped us becoming a better person, and becoming a better person in life is very important rather than achieving something, because being a better person is really important. So I talk about various types of mentors that were here that motivated us and showed us the path to clear the examination and the SSB. It was really helpful for me, and thank you.
So now Akshay, I would like to know your experience of all phases of SSB. Now let us start from the psychology.
Psychology part was not really difficult for me, because everything that I wrote there was somehow connected to my life, and that was all taught in Centurion Academy. It was taught by Mr. Shishir sir and group captain A.K. Srivastav sir. They taught us that we have to connect our life with the stories and the sentences that are being shown in the projector. So I could connect the various phases of my life through the stories of the TAT and the sentences of the VAT, and the practice that they have provided me helped me a lot in summing up so many sentences and almost all the TAT stories. And the SRT was also quite easy, because I have been practicing quite a lot of SRTs, and they were somehow linked to my life, because those are the general problems that we face in life. So I couldn't face any difficulties in the SRT portion, because that was all that I practiced here. So it was really easy for me to attempt over there.
Now Akshat, please tell us about your interview preparation also.
Here at the academy, my interview preparation was taken by the director sir, as well as Aditya Dubey sir and Lieutenant Colonel Lalit Mohan sir. It was a really nice experience for the interview because earlier I was not able to interact very properly during the interview. I used to forget most of the questions of the rapid fire rounds, but since it was conducted by by these sirs, so I could like enhance my performance in the rapid fire round and could answer the maximum questions over there. And the questions were somehow related to my PIQ, so I was very well known about them, and these interviews helped me a lot over there because the basic questions that were asked over there was already practiced here, so I couldn't face any difficulties in the interview of the SSB at Allahabad. My interview went for around 30 minutes, and after the interview I was really confident that it went really well and I'll get a positive result.
What about the GTO?
Ma'am, GTO was conducted here by Colonel Atul Kashyap sir, and it was a really nice experience with the person with so much of experience in this field. He provided us so many guidelines to perform in these types of tasks, and he showed us various types of tricks to tackle in the PGT and the group obstacle races. So he provided us with a base to work at SSB, and since it is a green color over here and it was same over there, so somehow I didn't feel anything new. It feel like day-to-day life, that whatever I am doing here I am doing right there also. So the SSB GTO portion went really well. I was really confident because of my GTO. My GTO went really excellent, I could say, because my GTO was at last like smiling at us because he knew that our group performed very great. In group obstacle race also we leaded. In PGT also we were given a time of 45 minutes, but we could complete in 12 to 13 minutes itself. So I was really confident after that.
Akshat, can you please tell me what were the outdoor activities you performed over here in order to enhance your GTO?
Over here we were taken to the ground, and there we were shown the various types of PGTs that were presented in Allahabad or any other SSB board, and the various types of individual obstacles that were present at the army and as well as other kinds of Air Force or Navy SSB. So we were taught the ways to tackle that kinds of obstacles or the tasks, and we were shown various types of activities like how to tie a knot in a manner such that we could untie or we could use it further. Those were the tasks that we were shown at the ground by the academy.
क्या मैसेज आप देना चाहेंगे जितने एस्पिरेंट्स ये वीडियो वॉच कर रहे हैं जो एस्पायरिंग है डिफेंस फोर्सेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए?
पहली बात तो ये कि आपका एम क्लियर होना चाहिए कि आप आर्म फोर्सेस को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज वहाँ पे जो आंसर होता है वो क्रिस्टल क्लियर होता है, इधर येस और नो. सो यू हैव टू बी रियली डिटरमाइंड टुवर्ड्स योर गोल एंड टुवर्ड्स योर एम. So work hard, and not only just by studying, enhance your personality, because written is just a part of the selection. Secondary is the SSB portion. And talking about SSB, it is really important that your personality matters. वहाँ पे जाके तुम्हारी नॉलेज नहीं चेक होती है, वहाँ पे तुम्हारी पर्सनैलिटी असेस की जाती है, और पर्सनैलिटी में कि तुम कितने फ्रेंडली हो, कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हो, ये सब चीज़ें असेस करने के लिए तुम्हें अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में भी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ करती रहनी चाहिए. तुम्हें और फ्रेंड्स बनाने चाहिए, और ज़्यादा उनके साथ इंटरेक्ट करना चाहिए, नई जगह जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं कि तुम इलाहाबाद आने के बाद बाहर कहाँ गए. वो ये देखना चाहते हैं कि तुम कितनी जगह को एक्सप्लोर करते हो, कितने फ्रेंड्स बनाते हो. सो ये डे टू डे लाइफ में इंक्लूड करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है स्टडीज़ के अलावा. स्टडीज़ आर द टॉप मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी इन वंस लाइफ, बिकॉज if you don't study, you won't be able to qualify the written examination and then go for SSB. So written is also really important, but secondary, your personality also matters, not only for SSB but also in your life. So that's all I would like to say. Thank you.
So Akshat, congratulations for your big
you.
achievement, and you have proved that you are a real centurion.
Yes ma'am, thank you.
Congratulations for a bright future.
Thank you.
Thank you.